Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. I'm Paul. Trying to show what I'm doing today. Today I'm doing a Volkswagen Transporter, timing belt and a water pump for this model here. So what I found was the marking, someone's done the water pump before and that marking was up there. So you can do it that way, but you're supposed to do it this way. Lock the cam properly. Then you're gonna lock the diesel fuel pump. That's your diesel pump, direct injector pump drive, and right at the bottom there, that's the actual the timing tool to lock the crankshaft up, so everything's lined up. All right, so I just want to show you got a lot of stuff to be removed to actually do this job, but this kind of job you gotta take your time and look at the marks, because one mistake you can actually cost a lot of money. So the key is to testing and looking. What I found, the belt, see the belt there? The belt is cracked in half. And if you look down here, there's the actual belt, the timing marks there. So this tensioner is getting noisy. Hear that? And there's a problem with them. Sometimes they don't come back and then they ruin the belt as well. So okay, I'm gonna do a quote now, and then I'm gonna contact the customer for the actual price to be added on. But top view. So once I finish doing the actual cam belt, then I'll start up and do another video. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.